The best ways to use baking soda for cleaning. Baking soda is one of the cheapest and most powerful cleaning agents on the planet. It's a natural salt made from sodium bicarbonate and carbon dioxide, and it can do everything from unclogging drains to freshening fabrics, whitening teeth, cleaning ovens, and so much more. Here are 20 quick and clever ways to use it around the home. 1. Unclogging toilets and drains. If your sink or your toilet is draining slowly, it's clogged or it smells bad, pour 1 cup of baking soda directly into the drain. Wait for 1 hour and then slowly pour down 2 cups of warmed up vinegar. The chemical reaction busts through blockages and kills odor-causing bacteria fast. 2. Carpet deodorizer. Carpets tend to hold on to pet smells, sweat, dust, and skin cells, and they need to be cleaned ever so often to remove musty scents in the home. Sprinkle a generous layer of baking soda across your carpets. Let it sit there for about 30 minutes to work its magic, and then vacuum it thoroughly. The odor gets trapped in the baking soda and then it gets lifted right out. 3. Grout cleaner. Make a paste of 50% water and 50% baking soda and rub it into the grout lines between your tiles. Scrub the paste using an old toothbrush to lift out grease, soap scum, and mildew. The cleaning properties of baking soda also help to restore the normal grout color as well. 4. Freshening sofas. Over time, sofas and upholstered chairs tend to soak up smells from food, pets, and general use. Once every 3 months, you can lightly dust the surface of your fabric sofas with baking soda. Again, let it sit for 30 minutes, then vacuum it off to freshen up the fabric. 5. Remove mug stains. Got tea or coffee stains stuck in your mugs? Add a teaspoon of baking soda and a few drops of water to form a paste, and then scrub gently with a sponge or a cloth. Those stubborn brown rings disappear like magic. 6. Arm deodorant. Baking soda also works wonders under the arm as a natural deodorant. All you need to do is dab a small pinch under dry armpits and it instantly neutralizes odor and helps to destroy odor-causing bacteria even after sweating. 7. Worktop cleaner. If your worktop feels sticky, greasy, or has stains after cooking, sprinkle baking soda directly onto the surface and then wipe it clean with a damp cloth. This lifts out grime without leaving a harsh chemical smell, and best of all, it's much cheaper than the commercial cleaning sprays. 8. Cleaning mattresses. Dust the top of your mattress with baking soda every so often, let it sit for an hour, and then vacuum away dead dust mites, body sweat, and odor particles. Mattresses can be breeding grounds, but this will also help to draw out moisture to prevent that. 9. Teeth cleaner. To naturally whiten your teeth, wet your toothbrush and dip it into baking soda, and then gently brush for 1 to 2 minutes. This very easily lifts surface stains from enamel and can brighten your smile. 10. Oven cleaning. Baked-in grease and spills in ovens are notoriously difficult to clean, but here's a very easy hack to clean it. Spray the inside of the oven with some pure white vinegar, then sprinkle baking soda over the top. Let it bubble and react for about half an hour and then scrub it off with a scourer or some steel wool. 11. Foot soak. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to a bowl of warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Baking soda is very good for softening calluses, it deodorizes and relaxes tired feet. 12. Wall scuff remover. Got scuff marks or crayon art on your walls from the kids? Mix baking soda with a splash of water into a paste, rub it gently on the marks, and then wipe it away clean. No paint damage at all. 13 is quite interesting, splinter removal. If you've got a splinter lodged deep under your skin, make a thick paste of baking soda and water, apply it over the area, and then cover it with a plaster. This creates a very mild swelling in the skin, which helps bring the splinter closer to the surface. 14. Boiling eggs. To make boiled eggs easier to peel, add a half a teaspoon of baking soda to the water. This alkalizes and changes the pH of the water very slightly, helping shells come away clean. 15. Freshening breath. Bad breath can come from acidity and bacteria in the mouth. Simply rinse with a mixture of a half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Swish it around for 30 seconds and then spit to neutralize odor and restore freshness to your breath. 16. Laundry booster. This hack is one of my wife's favorites. For brighter, fresher smelling laundry, add 1 cup of baking soda directly into the washing machine. This deodorizes clothes, softens hard water, and it also helps to clean the machine in the process. 17. Natural shampoo. Once every few weeks, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with your regular shampoo. Massage it into your scalp and then rinse it out well. This can actually remove product buildup, especially if you use a lot of styling agents and conditioners. This leaves the hair feeling very clean and bright. 18. Tenderizing meat. I've used this trick many times to turn a cheap steak into a tender, melt-in-the-mouth steak. Sprinkle a very small amount of baking soda on beef steaks, let it sit for 15 minutes, no longer than this, and then rinse it off. Pat the steaks dry and cook your steak as normal. Baking soda helps to break down tough proteins, making the meat a bit more tender. 19. Kitty litter deodorizer. You can also sprinkle baking soda into your cat's litter tray to help absorb smells between changes. This is pet safe, it's cheap, and it's very effective. 20. Morning baking soda drink. Did you know that your own body makes bicarbonates to help balance internal pH and support healthy digestion? An age-old remedy has been mixing 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, not baking powder, into a glass of water and drinking it first thing in the morning. This can help to improve the flow of digestive enzymes without changing the pH of the stomach too much. I actually made a video showing you exactly how to use it safely and its numerous health benefits. You can watch the video that I've put on the screen now if you want that information. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.